These robots may not be quite as nimble as C-3PO, but they're some of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built. Their teams have come to Pomona, California, to compete for $3.5 million offered by DARPA, the Defense Department's Advanced Technology Group. In 2011, human rescue teams couldn't make it into the Fukushima nuclear power plant to search for tsunami victims. The radiation was just too intense. DARPA created this robotics challenge in hopes of kick-starting commercial robots that could someday enter such dangerous environments without risking human lives. The robot has to perform 8 tasks, has to drive itself in a utility vehicle, get out by itself, open a door with a regular human handle, come to a leaking valve and turn it shut. Then it has to take an electric drill and cut a hole in a piece of drywall. Then comes a surprise task. It could be plugging and unplugging something or pulling a lever. Finally, the robot has to make its way over a whole pile of rubble and bricks and pipes. Finally, the robot has to go through a doorway, climb a flight of stairs to its triumphant finish. At this competition, human operators are driving the robots remotely. Sort of. To make the task more realistic, DARPA deliberately degrades the wireless signal so much that the robots have to navigate much of the course autonomously. The operator can tell the robot what to do, but the robot has to figure out how to do the task on its own. Team Caste from South Korea and their robot, the DRC Hubo, won the $2 million first prize, beating out 22 other teams from the US and other countries. It performed all 8 tasks flawlessly in 40 minutes. DARPA's Gil Pratt is the program manager of the Robotics Challenge. He sees a future for these robots well beyond search and rescue. He thinks they'll be in our homes, especially the homes of older Americans.
Someday robots are going to be good enough to help us actually move around. So a robot could pick you up out of bed, take you to the shower to help you get in there, and really kind of be your nursing assistant and really help you age much more gracefully in a dignified way.
Now, you may have seen the YouTube montage of all the times these robots fell during the competition. So yeah, these robots are a little clumsy, and sometimes they fall down. But you know what? 5 years ago, autonomous humanoid robots didn't even exist. But then you think about some of DARPA's other success stories, like the internet and GPS and self-driving cars. Those were all slow and clumsy at the beginning too. These robots are the Commodore 64. You want to blow your mind? We'll have a look at these in 5 years.
Download the Yahoo app to your phone or tablet.